hard to make you fool. Better not to talk to this person. You can't rely. You want to feel again the beating heart and making it slow. So work on yourself. Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of January. Keep in mind that Tuesday special. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guideline from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will use this spread, this pattern. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your person's mind, what they're thinking towards you, what their feelings, what their intentions towards you. Okay, let's get started. What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aries? What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aries? What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aries? And we are having here the Magician, Empress, Five of Swords, Three of Wands. What are the Aries feeling and thinking toward this person? What are the Aries feeling and thinking toward this person? Two of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, Two of Cups, Four of Pentacles. And what are the mutual energies, Aries? What are the mutual energies? And we are having here Knight of Wands, Page of Wands. Okay, these are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. It could be any Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Three of Wands, Knight of Wands, Page of Wands, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Two of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Two of Cups, Eight of Cups, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Five of Swords, Aquarius with this Empress. Okay, Aries, let's talk about your person's feeling here. And your person is want to control you. And yes, they want to control you. They want to manipulate you. And they will manipulate you. And they were maybe manipulating you. And this, but the feelings, what they thinking towards you, like you are this Empress. You are an Empress for this person. It's like they need to be more stronger and be young. They need to be step out of their comfort zone in order to manipulate you and in order to control you. That kind of the feelings towards you, because you are a queen here. They feel like that you are caring here, you are kind here, but the thing is that it's hard to make you fool. So they need to have a plan, a proper plan to manipulate you. And this person is like feel like that a hollow victory. This person is like want to prove you wrong, conflict. And this person is intentions like that, like they defeat you, like that, think like that, they defeat you, but this is a hollow, feel empty inside. And they feel like they are the one who is defeated in this situation. And with this Three of Wands, this person is analyzing you. This person is watching you from distance. This person is like want to travel towards you. There is, and they feel like that you are traveling toward. Maybe you are in traveling somewhere, but they analyzing you. They're watching you from distance with this Three of Wands, making some kind of plan. This person feel like that yes, they win this, but this is a hollow victory, and they conflicts there. They are like they want to prove you wrong, and they will do anything, whatever it's take, but feel like that something is wrong. They feel empty inside, and this person want to control you, want to manipulate you. And this person is a control freak, and you are like a queen here. This is your impression on this person. And with this Two of Pentacles, you feel like that your feelings toward this person, your thinking toward this person is juggling with multiple things. This person always try to keep a lot of things together and then lost their balance. And this person is dealing with you and another person as well. And this make you disappointed on this person. You are disappointed, walking in disappointment and putting everything behind and walking in a disappointment. You are so disappointed on this person, and that's why you are closed off. You are not, you really don't want to talk to this person, or you were not talking to this person, or maybe you will not talk to this person. and you are like Four of Pentacles closed off for this person. The communication, you really don't want to talk to this person. And with this cups, this Two of Cups, you want soulmate connection in your life. You want someone understand you, someone feel your pain, feel your happiness, be happy when you are happy and make you happy, and be the part of your every emotion. You want a person like that who can feel, who can recognize and find a difference in every emotions, and be with you. This is what you want in your life. With this Two of Cups, a soulmate connection, like a strong bond, and you think it's better not to talk to this person, but you are so disappointed on this person, and this person is definitely a third party, juggling with two things, and always seems busy. And with this mutual energies, Knight of Wands, this person, if we talk about is this person's intentions towards you, this person is itself on and off towards you. Their passion is on and off towards you. You can't rely on this person. They are not reliable. They are not steady here with this Knight of Wands and with this Page of Wands. As I told you, you want new love in your life. You want soulmate connection in your life. You want someone fresh. You want someone passionate towards you, who is give you emotions and feelings, and give you that feelings again. You want to feel again all the feelings, the beating heart and the emotions and the feelings. You want to feel that with this Page of Wands. Okay, let's see, Aries, what else you want. What else we have for you, Aries? What else we have for Aries? And we are having here Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and as an outcome, Justice. And with this Eight of Pentacles, you this person want you to work on this connection, and this person is working on themselves as well, and they want you to work with them on this connection. And also they are getting a feel you are busy with your work and you are doing your job. You are being busy with your own things and you are working on your work. They feel like that, they want you to work with them on this connection. I mean, this Knight of Pentacles, you want this person to understand you, and understanding, you want understanding. You are not rushing into this person, you are taking it slow. You want stability. This is what you are offering, and this is what you are accepting in return. Stability, fairness, and clarity. This is what you want to offer this person, and this is what you accept from this person. Take a time instead of rushing into each other. And with this Justice card, justice, like, you want justice and fairness, equality in this relationship. You really don't want to be a second option, third, or a last option. You really don't want to. You want to be this person's first priority, and you deserve that, and you are demanding what you deserve. So you are, in upcoming days, you feel like that you are so straightforward and in an equal basis, and you are analyzing everything on an equal base and demanding justice, equality, and demanding what you deserve. Yeah, and you are like an empress, so you deserve to be a first option and a first priority. Okay, let's see, for more information, what should you do, how to deal in this situation, what should you avoid, how to take care of yourself. For more information, and we are having here Eight of Pentacles again, Page of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups. So with this Eight of Pentacles, yes, need to work, be busy, pay attention on your work. With this twice, this person feel like that you are working on yourself and you are busy with your work. Yes, you are busy. Just be like that. Pay attention on your work. Pay attention on your life. Work on yourself. Control everything and be busy here. This is your cards also want to tell you. And with this Page of Pentacles, as this Knight of Pentacle and Page of Pentacle, like hoping for best, hoping for someone, more stable here with passion, and you are hoping for stability, quality, and someone interested in you, only in you. So do never and that interest will never gonna fade away. This is what you want, and this is you need to manifest, and this is what you seek for. And with this Queen of Cups, pay attention on yourself, nourish yourself. This is your cards want to tell you. Be loving towards yourself, and value and respect whatever you demanding, and whatever you got desires. Respect these desires and love yourself. Okay, let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. What your angel want to add in this reading. And we are having here, I am leading you toward the answer to your prayers. Please listen and follow these steps. I am communicating through your intuition, stars, and dreams. As Eight of Cups twice in your chart, like Eight of Cups twice in your chart, and you need to love yourself. This is a relevant message from your angel. Okay, let's see what advice messages. Heal, fight back, don't be an option, work for your success. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person want to control you. But how can they control a queen? They feel like that they defeat you, they will prove you wrong. They're making that plan in their head, like how to prove you wrong. And but this is hollow, this is empty. You are disappointed on this person. Instead of arguing with this person, you walking away, you walk away. You need to respect your desires and follow your desires and your dreams, and love yourself. These are a few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.